Hi, this is Dan Pygott from the Pygott Properties Group at Royal LePage, Sussex, and welcome to our April market update. Now, the Vancouver real estate market has continued to rally as Q1 comes to an end. Now, there's a number of reasons why we've seen this stability and in an improved market. The spring market typically picks up across the board for sales and listings. This has held true so far in 2023. As you can see in North Vancouver, West Vancouver, and the Vancouver areas, the detached market, for example, has steadily increased in sales month over month from January through March. In many markets around the Lower Mainland, we've seen this increase in sales activity, but the listing inventory has not risen at the same pace. For this reason, we are starting to see prices edge up. For example, the North Shore markets, when looking at detached properties, have increased month over month since the beginning of the year. Now, consumer confidence has returned. As the prices go up, many buyers are starting to ask themselves, has the market bottomed out? And this is pushing more and more people into the marketplace. Look for Q2 to continue with continued confidence, growth, more sales, and hopefully more listings as well. Now, there are a couple new changes on the federal level that will possibly impact our market that you should be aware of. The first is the 2-year foreign buyer ban that came in January 3rd has been amended. It's made it a little bit more easy for some foreigners to buy in. For example, if you're on a work visa, you can now buy property here. I believe it's only one. And also some changes to those looking to develop properties or for foreign-owned corporations. The threshold on those have changed to 10% ownership from a 3% ownership. Now, another important change, which will really help the younger buyers, the first-time buyers that is the first-time buyer savings plan. Now, what this is it's an account that you can put up to $8,000 a year into per year with a lifetime limit of $40,000. It works similarly to an RSP in terms that you get a tax deduction on the way in, and it can grow in there tax-free, and you can pull out without paying capital gains, almost like a TFSA. So that's a really important one for those of you that have children looking to get in the market, or if you're a first-time buyer, take advantage of this. Reach out, we'll tell you more information, as it's a great tool to build that nest egg for when it comes time to make your purchase. Now, this month's Just One question has to do with the federal underused housing tax. Now, you may recall this is something that came in last year, and it's a 1% tax. And a lot of people are asking, do I have to declare? Does this apply to me? Well, I can't answer all those questions here, but what you should know is that if you own a property as a non-resident or non-Canadian, or you own a property in a corporation or in a trust or as a partnership, you likely have to declare, and you need to do so before the end of April. Now, the fines are hefty if you do not declare or miss the deadline, so make sure you look into this. What we found is not all lawyers, not all accountants are aware of all the ins and outs of this, so you need to take it upon yourself to do your own due diligence. And the one that I'm really stressing that people need to watch out for is a lot of my clients and people around Vancouver own investment properties or their own homes in numbered companies or in corporations, and that will trigger the filing. So please reach out, let us know if you have any questions. We can put you on the path to make sure you're compliant.